What is poppin', fam goons? Welcome back to my channel for another video. I know you guys have been waiting for an unboxing, so today I got you guys. But before we get into all that, if you're new here, go check out my other videos, go check out my playlist, and consider hitting that sub button. I mean, where else are you gonna see a mullet like mine? You feel me? So you get to see a mullet, and you get clothing videos. It's a win-win. So you sit there and think about that while I unbox this Sniper Gang package. Here I got my scissors here. We used to forget the scissors, but no. Here, just gonna bust this thing open, man. Using those scissors hurt my fingers. All right, what's the first thing we got in here? The card for the app. If you don't got the Sniper Gang app, go download that. You already know. We got a purple Sniper Gang wristband. Add that to the collection. Sadly, we did not get a sticker this time, but that's okay because we finally have the Sniper Gang GLEE hat. Now, if you look, you can see that it's embroidered on the front. Real simple hat, you know what I'm saying? They finally restocked this, so I'm really glad that I got this. We have the GLEE on the front, like I said. We have the Sniper Gang embroidered on the back. On the inside, we have this little piece of paper. I'd be taking mine out. I know a lot of people be keeping them in, but I'd be taking out. I don't think it'd be doing anything. Now, I feel like there's times when you order stuff offline that's embroidered, you'll end up getting it and there's like some threads hanging out or something. This actually does not have any threads hanging out. The embroidery job that they did is actually really good. Now, if you guys are interested in copying this hat, I caught mine off the Sniper Gang website. It was 30 bucks plus shipping. And they restocked it. Man, I already knew I was gonna cop. Let me know down in the comments if you guys plan on copping anything from Sniper Gang, trying to cop this hat, trying to cop anything streetwear. Let me know down in the comments. If you're still here, hit that like button, hit the sub button if you're new, of course. I know this was a quick video, but make sure you stay tuned because I got a lot more unboxings coming, a lot more clothing drops, and a lot more news about streetwear. So keep it 100 in the streets, comment whatever you want, but baby, just don't call the cops. Peace.